I'm Adam Lefebvre. I'm the president and owner of SPC. We're based in Niles, Illinois. We opened the doors in 1996. We had 3 employees then. We quickly grew to 12 in the first year. Today, in year 27, we have roughly 500 employees.
SPC customers love doing business with us because of the innovation that we bring to the table. We are constantly reinventing what we do. We're giving them a lot more options. We're giving them a lot of flexibility. And we also give them a lot of different ways to price work so that we can find the cheapest way to do work and make it cost effective for them. So we are always looking for ways to find another way to do a project and give them new ideas of doing things that are going to be more relevant in somebody's mailbox. We're now on our 2nd generation of using MBO equipment. So if you look back, our CEO, Paul, was already using MBO equipment back in the 70s and 80s and was always a very big fan and believed in the capabilities. Throughout those years since then, we've really increased our capabilities with MBO, which has really started with just doing folders.
We've always been very committed to the equipment partners that we choose. And one of the things that we look for in those equipment partners is the personality and the culture. It's really important that people understand who we are and how hectic and how hard driving we are in our business, how critical deliveries are in our business, how accessible we are as a company 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And so we look to our vendors to have sort of that same mentality, that same customer first mentality, that same availability mentality. And MBO for all of these years has always been accessible to us, has always been immediate to respond, has always had an answer for anything that was a problem for us.
One thing that we've loved about MBO is that their folding equipment has really increased, not just with speed and not just with the fact that we can do a lot of different types of folding. It's the fact that they've standardized their equipment to really help us to keep costs in line, but also then to really go across our whole platform.
We run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we don't like breakdowns. We really like uptime. And the robustness and the longevity of the equipment, the amount of engineering that MBO has always exhibited in their product is second to none. And that's really important to us. When I think about MBO and I compare the concepts that MBO brings to digital web finishing to the competition, it really resonates with me that MBO comes from our world of robust, high-speed, very heavy-duty manufacturing. There's a whole bunch of tinker toy manufacturers out there. For the way we want to produce and the amount of differentiation we want to provide in the marketplace, I think that MBO really is an amazing difference to any competitor that it has in the space.